Hello and welcome to another edition of ProtoMet Tries, and in today's video I'm going to be trying fruity Cheerios. Cheerios that are fruity flavored. I've actually done a number of Cheerios in the past, and oddly I looked back on them all and they all have the box on the same side of the thumbnail. I guess you're going to have to do a bit of investigating to figure out if I decide to place this box on the same side of the thumbnail or be contrarian. Only one way to find out. Anyway, fruity Cheerios cereal. Let's get to this in 3, 2, 1. You get a look at that. It looks like Cheerios in multiple colors. You got red and green and blue and not colored, which does kind of look a bit yellowish on the cover when on the box when compared to the others, but it's just not colored. And as a result of these Cheerios looking colored, they kind of look like Fruit Loops, or generic fruit ring cereals. Granted, Cheerios also look like generic Cheerio knockoffs. Anyway, let's give this a smell. They smell like Fruity Pebbles, to be honest. How do they taste? There's definitely a fruity taste, but I can't quite pick out the individual flavors. Let's try the blue. See if that'll give us a distinct flavor. Maybe these all just taste the same. Maybe a bit of berry taste. Let's try the red. That didn't really taste like it had a taste at all. Let's try the green. That one didn't have any distinct taste. Let's try the clear, the regular. Maybe this is just Cheerios tasting. That one was a bit fruity. Maybe it's just the colors that are different, but it's the like sugary coating that has the flavor. I don't know how cereal works. Maybe it's random which ones have flavor and which don't. Maybe they all have the same flavor and I just didn't notice. But this is fine. I feel like I might prefer just either regular Cheerios or one of the other numerous varieties of Cheerios that are out there. I know I've tried some. And oddly enough, only the Honey Nut Cheerios actually have a mascot. Why is that? Why does just the Honey Nut Cheerios have a mascot and none of the others do? Is it because Cheerios is just such a generic cereal? Like it is like the default cereal that they don't feel they need to have a mascot? And then when they were deciding to make a Honey Nut variety of Cheerios, they decided to give it a mascot who is in literally all the commercials for like every Cheerios, as far as I'm aware. despite only showing up on the box for the honey nut variety. It's a mystery. Mystery that I'm not going to be solving today because I am not that smart. But maybe someone out there watching this video can tell me why only Honey Nut Cheerios has a mascot and all the other flavors are just left twisting in the wind. But yeah, anyway, Fruity Cheerios, they're pretty much just what it says. A somewhat fruity flavored variety of Cheerios. I can't really complain. Also there's all frosted Cheerios. I'm pretty sure all Cheerios have like some layer of a sugar frosting to them. If I were to hazard a guess, I think the frosted ones just have a thicker coating of the sugary frosting. If I were to venture a guess, again, I'm no smart. But yeah, if you're interested, give these a shot. And until next time, I'm ProtoMet. See ya.